Hi, everyone, and welcome to CAPA Certification More Than a VTF. I'm Tschanen Brandyberry, Special Projects Editor for ABRN, and joining me today is Stacy Bartnik, Intertek's Aftermarket Industry Relations Manager for the CAPA program. Stacy, thanks for joining us and helping the industry fully understand CAPA certification. Can you please explain what CAPA certification involves?
Of course, I've heard people say to me that CAPA certification only involves a vehicle test fit. Today, I'll address that misconception and explain the testing that an aftermarket part undergoes before it is approved to bear the CAPA seal. A part must undergo material comparability testing, performance testing, and vehicle test fit. For material testing, CAPA requires samples to be taken from the aftermarket part and the car company's service part to ensure comparable materials and performance of the part. Some of the performance testing includes electromagnetic compatibility or EMC testing on parts with active devices such as LED or HID headlamps, or a 5-mile-per-hour crash test for structural parts such as reinforcement bars or bumpers. Compliance to federal safety standards is required. For example, all CAPA certified headlamps must meet Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 108 or FMVSS 108. CAPA requires its manufacturers to confirm compliance to FMVSS 108 for each lot that is produced.
Then, building on what certification involves, can you please explain Intertek's role and how the vehicle test fit is incorporated?
Yes, of course. The vehicle test fit is performed at Intertek, where we have ASE certified master technicians compare the fit of the car company brand service part to the aftermarket part. Intertek also inspects the checking fixtures and performs dimensional and appearance inspections on the parts in the factories. All of these tests demonstrate that the aftermarket part is functionally equivalent to the car company brand service part. So when the aftermarket part passes all testing to CAPA standards, it is then considered CAPA certified, and the manufacturer may apply the CAPA seal to that part.
Thank you, Stacy, for that look into CAPA certification. And we encourage professionals to look into this more by visiting www.capacertified.org.